Headed out trick-or-treating. We stopped by Grandma's house. That was our first stop. Now we're headed to Helen's.
You want to go up there and knock on the door and say
Here.
trick or treat?
Get your pumpkin. You knock on the door?
Knock on the door. Knock on the door, Joey. Go knock, Gav. You can ring the doorbell once.
Can you reach the doorbell?
Ring the doorbell, Gavin.
I don't know if he did it. Well, Maggie will let her know somebody's here. Gavin, remember what you say.
What do you say?
Gavin, what do you say? Gavin, you say trick or treat.
You look great. I guess my barricade didn't work. Yeah, that's good. You tell her, Maggie.
Maggie, sit.
You guys look great. Well, here's
Gavin, you say trick or treat. We've been practicing all week.
Joey, keep your hood up.
You get the whole bag.
Oh, wow. You guys are getting spoiled already.
And you get the whole
Oh, wow.
bag. There
Gavin,
you
what do you
go.
What do you
say?
say?
This one's one.
Joelle, what do you say?
Here, you can take all.
Yeah, you're right. You say
Good job,
thank
Joey.
you.
Good job, Joey.
Gavin, what do you
get to take
say?
the whole thing.
It's
Thank
too
you.
much to carry. Here's Blanky. Here's Gretchen's trick or treat.